Hello. Yes. Take a little extra finessing to get this old girl off of there. Son of a gun, she's a brute. This. Oh. Looks like a battery pack. Inspect it further, right? Laying down here in the bottom. Wedged in there. Wow, that's a nice piece of copper. Copper and brass. It's got a little air valve thingy in there. Same thing you use to take the valve stems out of tires. Big compressor in there. I'm trying to see how these guys come out. Ain't much holding it. Have to cut the copper. Get my copper nippers out. I didn't know where I was. You and you, if I can get at you. There. It should disconnect you other than the wires. Through, okay. Well, it doesn't matter how short it cuts you. These are very heavily insulated wires. Come on, here we go. There we go. Ta-da! What's this? It's just a steel door. And you bounce right back out. A couple pieces to take off here, so these guys don't like to open very wide. Nice little copper trinket in the bucket. And this guy ain't gonna open wide enough to cut this area. Oh, maybe you will. There we go. It's a nice chunk. It's all copper. It'll be considered number 2 because they'll say it had oil in it because it was hooked to your air conditioning. But okay, whatever. I don't care. 1 or 2. As long as they don't classify it as number 3, right? A piece on the bottom. Voila! No, I ain't taking it apart, but it will be on the motor bucket. Let go of me. Yeah, I'm just yanking this piece apart. Looks like a shotgun shell, and it's not, it's just a plastic cover. Take him off to make it number 2. Right? Can't leave him on there. There, that's clean number 2. Let go of me. Let go of me. Thank you. And I don't know what's in there. It's got to be a little electric thingy. We'll take it apart. We'll find out, right? Yeah. What's the chances of getting them bolts off of this motor? Sawzall or grinder? There's one big bolt there too. Let's see if we can get them off. It's about 10 feet long too. Holy moly. Maybe I can just get these little trinkets off. Yeah. A bigger nut driver in my drill here. Back here. You're not gonna come out that way. Oh, you got a little got a little nut on his backside. Too big. It ain't gonna come off that way either. Ah, Bubba. I need two wrenches in one. I got my thumb split open. That's why it hurts. Another one with a little air valve stuck in it. that is in there, but I'll figure it out. Looks a little bit of brassiness. Yeah. I'm impressed that these screws are coming out. Oh yeah, me and my big mouth. This one ain't coming. It's a stripping. Oh, there it goes. Now it's stuck in the bit. Come on. Just gotta get that piece of steel off of there yet. Get that out. Okay. How do we open you up? Sometimes there's a nice coil of copper in there. Oh, there we go. No coil of copper in there. Bummer. Put you back on there then. Look how thick these are, eh? But they're not that thick with copper inside. They're very insulated. It's about a half and half, isn't it, when you think? Think it's worth the strip? Probably won't be that hard. It is brittle, I think. I will figure it out. I just gotta see if I can get these off. Holding it on the back. Ah, they're lag bolt thingies. Chances of them coming apart are slim to none. I think we need the grinder. Hate to say it. Well, let's see how this fiasco goes. Scrapping. Somebody threw them out. Little Makita. 125 millimeter. It's French. It's not a big one. 35 amp, 8700 RPM. See, it doesn't even spin that fast. Okay. Looking for something to kind of set it on. This work. 2 down, 2 to go. Hope that's not too loud for you. I didn't think about that. Sorry. This actually was designed for this. See that? Who would have thought, hey, the stuff you got kicking around is designed to help you. Ian Matthews' favorite toy. Right, Ian? You like your grinders. You have boxes full of them. You must like them. I think we are free. Oh, you're gonna be heavy, buddy. Oh, shit. Somebody's here. Anyways, that's how it works. Hope you saw that. Nope. Okay. I told you there'd be a little coil of copper. I don't know why you can see that. There it is there. Normally they're on the motors. So we gotta strip this guy apart. Anyways, got a little more snipping to do on here. I'm not gonna clean them up today. You know I don't do that. I'll do that later. When I get a bunch more radiators to lined up. So we just trim these guys off here. And right in there. Okay, are you two attached? No, you are not. Come on, don't be shy. There we go. Nice piece of copper. See if he's got that goofy thing in there. Negative, no steel. Good. So he's considered clean with no caffeine. Yeah, I'd take off what I can right now. It's more. And there's another piece yet. Ah, he cut real easy. Okay, this one might have some steel in them. You know, those little filter thingies. Yep. Right there. And right there. You've seen me take them apart. See? It's attracted. 2 spots, and they'll have those stupid little, beads in there. So that radiator is done until I get the rest of it off. Holy, it's disintegrating pretty good here, the aluminum. So I'm going to put them over there with the rest. We'll be right back. Still good weight. Now we gotta do the motor yet. Hopefully the wind isn't messing things up. Motor's up there. Come on, look up. Like I said, playing with Ian Matthews is a toy. I don't know, I just never fond of grinders. Oh yeah, I hear you. The master calls. There's my wife, she's at work. Not working too hard. Not much going on today. Last minute procrastinators. Snip. 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 Oh, come back here. A little stray piece of wire. Yeah. Still got a clip on you. Okay, come on. There we go. Okay. Go. We promised it to be warm today. It was supposed to be what? Record breaker. They lied. It's only about 42 Fahrenheit out. When I was in for lunch. It was 41, so it's south blow. It's amazing how south wind can be so cold. Yeah, I don't know. What do you think? You think they're worthwhile to strip? I don't know. Well, we know what they look like inside. Maybe they are worthwhile to strip. And then trying to pull it through that thing, it just stripped itself. Huh. Maybe, huh? Yeah, that's what I wanted. Look, it started to strip too, so now we know what kind of copper's in there. What I hate about those clamps. I don't know how they come apart. Usually I can get the wire pulled out through it. See, like that. That's usually how the wires come out. You know? These guys are making it difficult. Going for a little trip on Friday. I got called today to be let known that I gotta go with a 10,000 pound electric motor. No, it's not coming home. I still have that one there that people think I'm hiding it under the electrical wire, but I'm not. There, see the copper? That's what I was talking about. There's probably some brass in that switch. So, that's as clean as you're gonna get. So needless to say, I won't be here on Friday when they pick the bin up. That's gonna be a bummer. Okay, I gotta get you out so I can cut you. Let go of me. Hopefully I got enough time. I don't want this video going into part 2. You see that all right? Looks like you're seeing it. Yeah, what are the chances of getting you off? Pretty slim. Grinder. Actually, I need you out of there. You see what's holding it. Now what do you see wrong with that grinder? Why would you throw that out? There. It comes right out the open door. Okay. There's a bolt here we gotta cut so that gets released. Yeah, until I get this bolt off, it ain't gonna release it. Voila! That's quite the little holder. Okay. I ain't gonna get this off, so doing what I want it to do. Come on. Trying to get it so I can get the grinder in there. I can't get you in like this. That ain't coming loose. I need you. Not even budging. Nope. My wheel is shrinking. Now can I reach you? I win. All I wanted to do was get that stupid thing out of the way. Maybe a copper motor. We're gonna find out. Get a bigger bit. Did we go in overtime? Yep, we're working on it. Hang on a sec. After all that, took it apart. Yeah, I paused you for a sec. Whew, copper. It was worth it. Okay, like, subscribe, and share or not. Have a nice day. We'll talk at you later. Enjoy your afternoon.